It's another positive day on the Australian share market with a rise of 0.4%. That's despite the US stock market being closed overnight for the President's Day holiday. Once again, its earnings very much in focus, and we are seeing some stocks hitting an all-time record high today, including Altium, Appen, as well as Charter Hall. On the flip side, we are seeing an all-time record low for Retail Food Group as well as Charter Hall. And of course, some massive moves after earnings reports today. Altium, one of the best, with a move up of 20% after earnings beat consensus. The circuit board maker reported that revenue was up by 24%, cash flow up by 82%, and margins had increased to 36%. The outlook also looking strong for the company. We've seen IOOF shares up by 12% after its results came and managed to encourage investors. We saw net platform inflows up by 12%, funds under administration, management and advice up by 10%, and the stock up by 12%. On the flip side, some big downward moves as well. Blackmore shares are down by 23%, the company announcing an 11% rise in revenue, but revenue from its China segment sales down by 11%, and the outlook also soft for China. The company saying that the China outlook is short-term and medium-term. The opportunity still is significant, but the stock down more than 20%. We are also seeing Emeco shares down by 25%. The company coming out with revenue up by 31% and net profit of $12 million. The company also positive on the rest of its year outlook. However, the results missing expectations and a sharp fall in share price. We're also seeing Seven West Media down by 9%. It's downgraded its full year outlook, with television advertising coming under pressure. Its first half EBIT down by 4%, revenue down by 1.5%, and the stock down by 9%. We've also seen Cochlear shares falling 8% as the company flags competition and flat growth in developed markets. Implants revenue and unit growth was more than 5%. However, in developed markets, we saw flat growth, while emerging markets saw growth of 15%. So all in all, some sharp moves on the back of half-year earnings reports coming through, but another good day for the Australian share market with a rise of 0.4%.